What's up, YouTube? Today we are going over break of structure. A high equals a move up, then a move down. One blue candle up, then one red candle down, which equals a high. A low equals a move down, then a move up, one red candle down, and then one blue candle up. On my chart, that equals a low. Take the highest of the two candle wicks, and if a candle closes below or above the high is considered a break of structure. Now I'll show you on the charts. So as you can see, we're on the Nasdaq, and on a monthly time frame, higher time frames hold higher power. So if you see a break of structure on the monthly, we're going to target monthly liquidity. Same thing with the weekly. We see a break of structure on the weekly, we're going to target weekly liquidity, and so forth and so on. So as we can see here, we see a red candle and then a blue candle, which is a low, meaning a down candle, and then a up candle. You would take the lowest of the two wicks, which is the blue candle, and then take this candle close below this low. That is a break of structure. What did we do? Hit this fair value gap and then retrace on down for this liquidity, this liquidity, this liquidity. Then what do we do over here? We see an up candle and then a down candle. You will take the highest of these two wicks, and then this candle close above this high. That is a break of structure to the upside. Now we're targeting this liquidity, and this liquidity. Now let's go into the weekly. We see a down candle and then an up candle. What is that? A low. Take the lowest of those two candles. Did this candle close below this low? Yes, it did. That is a break of structure to the downside. We target this liquidity over here, right where the candle is, and this liquidity. You see a up candle and then a down candle. That is a break of structure to the upside. Take the highest of the two candles wicks, then the candle closed above the high, target this liquidity and this liquidity. What do you see here? A down candle and then an up candle. Take the lowest of the two. Did this candle close below this low? Yes, it did. Break of structure to the downside. Took this liquidity, we see an up candle and then a down candle, which is a high. Take the highest of the two candle close above it. We swept this liquidity, then we see a down candle and then an up candle, which is a low. Take the lowest of the two and the candle closed below it, so it is a break of structure to the downside, targets this liquidity and this fair value gap. We see an up candle then down candle. Take the highest of the two. The candle closed above it, which is a break of structure, target this liquidity and this gap. We see an up candle, then a down candle. Take the highest of the two, break of structure to the upside, targets liquidity here. What did we do recently? We are in August and July, we broke structure to the downside. Down candle and then up candle, take the lowest of the two. Did this candle close below this low? Yes. So now we are bearish. So it's going to target this liquidity and this liquidity. So now that we know that it broke structure to the downside and we are bearish, we will be looking for shorts rather than longs, because you would want to go with the trend instead of fight against it. Notice how it breaks structure to the upside and then it just continues to go up. You don't want to go against the trend. Why would you fight against the trend when you want to go with it to catch the bigger move? Let's go to the daily. You see a down candle and then an up candle. Is that a low? Yes. Does this break below it? No, it didn't. You see a blue candle and then a red candle, which is a high, or you see an up candle. Take the highest of the two. Did this close above it? Yes, it did, which is a break of structure. A blue candle and then a red candle. These gaps I wouldn't trade. Let's go over here. Down candle and then the up candle. Take the lowest of the two candles and the candle closed below this low. It fills the gap. Then moves back on up candle, then the down candle, which is a low, and the candle closed above it. That is a break of structure. Hopefully you guys know what a break of structure is now. Do this on your charts. Pull this up on your charts and try to do it with me or after this video. Go on your charts and do this for yourself to get more confidence in identifying a break of structure. Hope you guys have a good day and good trading.